Hey Taurus, a very warm and good evening to you guys. So this is a general love reading for all those who are in separation right now or in no contact with their partner right now. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what to expect from them till the 3rd of May. This is a bi-weekly reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May. So let's see their current energy. What is their current energy? The person on your mind right now with whom you don't have any kind of contact, or you guys are in separation right now. Okay, so your partners or your person's energy. Seven of Wands. I feel like your partner is in no mood of any kind of compromise, or this person is standing their own ground. I think you guys had a huge fight or had a conflict in the past, and that is why they are like behaving like they want to stand their own ground. They are not in the compromising term at all, or they are not at all talking to you. Maybe you guys are not at all talking to each other. Okay, so their energy right now is of I just want to stand my ground no matter you talk to me or not, Taurus. Okay, so let's clarify the Seven of Wands. Conflict, yeah. Okay, the Seven of Wands is clarified by the Five of Wands and the Three of Swords and the King of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you guys had a very huge conflict, you guys had a very huge fight, and that is why it broke their heart, it made them very sad. They are grieving this situation, they are, losing their calm on the situation, they are very sad. And because of these overwhelming emotions, this King of Cups is telling me because of this conflict, because of this heartache, they are going through a very overwhelming phase, a very emotional phase of their life right now, and that is why they are backing off and they're holding back and they're not talking to you at all. Okay, that is their current energy right now, Taurus. Because of this conflict, because of this heartache, they are behaving like this. They are backing off and they are not ready to compromise in this situation at all. Okay, at all, I'm telling you. So your energy, Taurus, your energy right now, your current energy. So keep in mind this is a reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May. So if it is not resonating with you right now, so it will. So it is a predictive reading, okay? So your energy right now is the Ten of Swords. I feel like you are feeling betrayed by this person. You are feeling like this person betrayed you big time, and this person made you feel the worst in this world. Okay, this person might be not acting the way they should. They might be taking you as an option only, or they might be fighting with you for not a commitment or relationship thing. I feel like one party was ready to have a commitment and a relationship, and the other party was like, no, I don't want to have any kind of commitment or relationship. I just want to have plain and simple friendship, and that is why you felt betrayed by them. Okay, you felt used by them. Okay, so let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. The Sun, Knight of Wands, and the Two of Wands. So I feel like you are feeling this way because you find happiness in this person. You feel like this person is your happiness, and you guys were in a very intimate and sexual and physical relationship. If not physically, you guys were involved. You guys were very physically attracted to each other, and that is why you turned your back to this person because you feel like this relationship is going physical only, and this is not turning into any kind of relationship or commitment. That is why maybe you turned your back on this person and you were just waiting for them to give this commitment and give this happiness to you, give this relationship thing to you. Okay, so that is why you are feeling betrayed by them. I feel like this. Okay, Taurus, what they feel about you, what this person feels about you, Taurus, what this person feels about you. What this person feels about you, Taurus. The Magician. This person is manifesting you back in their life, Taurus. This person is, I feel like this person is a big time manifester or manipulator, you can say. They play mind games a lot, but right now, this card is telling me intuitively that they are manifesting you back in their life. Although they feel like this relationship is a big time conflict, and this relationship or this particular connection with you is no good for them, but still they are manifesting you back in their life. Strange kind of feelings. Okay, so let's clarify the Magician, the Moon, Ten of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Okay. So the magician is clarified by the moon, the Ten of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. I feel like they have some kind of subconscious fears, and they were there was a blockage in their intuition. Maybe their intuition was telling them that this relationship was is a solid deal, but they were backing off because of blockage in their intuition. Now they are clear about this intuition that they want to have a long term relationship with you, because now their emotions are not in their control. They are developing love emotions for you. Okay, so right now I feel like this person is feeling overwhelmed by their emotions, and that is why they are manifesting you back, because now they are feeling the emotions that you were feeling before, Taurus. Okay, so let's see what they want from you. These are their feelings for you. What they want from you, this person. King of Swords. This person wants to communicate with you. This person wants to tell you something very, very bluntly, and they are going to talk to you very honestly and bluntly what they want. And all they want from this relationship is clarity, to be very honest. All they want in this relationship, or in this connection with you, is clarity, and they want to quit the mind games with you, and they want open and honest conversation with you. This is all they want. Let's clarify the King of Swords. Let's clarify the King of Swords. So three cards jumped out. Okay. The Justice, the Emperor, and the Lovers. Okay. I feel like you are dealing with the Libra or Gemini or Aries. So these three signs are here: Libra, Gemini, and Aries. So I feel like the King of Swords is clarified by the Justice, the Emperor, and the Lovers. So this is some kind of decision making. The Justice and the Lovers are both for me. This is kind of decision making. They want to make a decision for you. They want to make a solid and solid decision. All they want is clarity, and they want to come to a conclusion that this is the decision that I have to stick to for the rest of my life regarding this particular person. Okay, this is what they want. This is what they want from this relationship, or with this connection with you, regarding you. What to expect from this person till 3rd of May, from 26th of April till 3rd of May. What to expect from this person, Taurus? What to expect from this person? Okay, let's see. Six of Swords. Communication coming in, a peaceful resolution coming in. I feel like there were a hell lot of conflicts going on between you and this person. Now there's a peaceful resolution coming towards you by 3rd of May. I feel like there will be communication between you guys, whether you started or they started. There will be a peaceful resolution to this particular connection. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords as a potential outcome till 3rd of May. Wheel of Fortune, Four of Wands, and the Hierophant. Okay. I feel like a peaceful resolution is coming towards you, and might be a solid or not a solid one, but I feel like there's some kind of traditional way of telling you that they want you in their life, that they want to have a friendship or some kind of relationship with you, long-term friendship, long-term relationship with you, because the wheel is turning, and the wheel is turning in. The events are turning now. The wheel is turning now. The events are turning. I feel like in your favor now, but I feel like now you are not feeling that much strong emotions for them, Taurus, to be very honest. Okay, so there will be a peaceful resolution coming towards you by 3rd of May, and this resolution is coming towards you in the form of commitment, or friendship offer, some kind of engagement thing, or there is some kind of commitment from this person is coming towards you, some kind of beautiful relationship offer, or some of you it is relationship offer, for some of you it is just a start of a friendship from their side. Okay, so expect a communication from their side, and this communication is coming as kind of a peaceful resolution for both the parties, for both the people, for both the person involved. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is Nine of Cups. So this is kind of a mutual energy for both of you. So this is kind of wish fulfillment for both the parties. This is a very beautiful energy, Taurus, if you are ready to receive it. Okay, it's your free will now, whether you want to talk to this person or not. Okay, so let's pull one card as an advice from the Love Oracle deck. So what you should do till 3rd of May from 26th of April. One card for advice for Taurus, please. Okay, the sword and rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection. The sword and rose, the clarity is coming towards you by 3rd of May. The universe also wants to give you this clarity, okay? So Taurus, this is what is happening between you and this person whom you are in no contact with, or you guys are separated. So thank you so much for listening, Taurus. I hope this reading will help you out in finding some answers that you were seeking for. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And do let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. Thank you.